Do you ever talk to strangers in public? For me, it usually happens in the grocery store. I make small talk about the weather, the line, or whatever's happening around us. Small talk is light, friendly conversation. Americans use it to start a conversation or avoid silence. And yes, you can actually learn to become comfortable doing it. So, how can you start, and how should you respond? In this lesson, I'll give you real everyday phrases for making small talk with confidence. Just listen and repeat so the words start to feel natural. Let's go. Remember that small talk is casual. You generally need to stick to topics that aren't important or controversial. Let's start with the weather. I'll give a possible sentence starter and an appropriate response. Listen and repeat. Beautiful day, isn't it? Gorgeous. Sure is cold out there, huh? Sure is. It's absolutely freezing. Wow, the rain is really coming down hard. It's awful. Wonder how long it's going to last. Gosh, it's windy today. Yeah, it's strong enough to knock you over. Looks like we'll be getting more snow. Yep, it sure does. I guess we'll have more shoveling to do. It's nice to see the sun come out again, huh? Definitely. We should enjoy the sunshine while we have it. For sure. If you're in a store, it's not uncommon to make observations or comment to other shoppers who may be in line with you or who are perhaps standing at the same display of products. Here are some casual remarks shoppers might make. Wow, long line today. Yeah, maybe it'll move fast. Sure is crowded today. You're telling me. Geez, the choices are overwhelming. Yeah, they do give a lot of options, don't they? It's fairly common to make small talk with cashiers. Sometimes it's only a two-line exchange. Other times it can turn into quite a lengthy chat. Let's practice these examples. How are you doing today? Can't complain. How about you? Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself? Sure is busy here today. Yeah, I'm surprised there are so many people at this hour. Compliments are another way to initiate small talk. I find that here in the United States, most women are open to compliments from other women. These exchanges can sound like this. I like your earrings. Thanks, they're my favorite. They're beautiful. I love your shoes. Oh, thank you. They go well with your outfit. It took forever to find them. Well, it was worth it. Your dress is gorgeous. Thank you so much. You look amazing. If the conversation continues, you can ask the person where they bought the item. If you're enjoying this listen repeat practice so far, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's shift to sports. Sometimes men start talking to me in the grocery store if I have a hockey hat on. They may joke about what team I cheer for, but we make light conversation about recent games or sports news. It's just a fun way to pass time as we wait in line at the checkout. Try these exchanges. Listen and repeat. The Penguins have been playing well. Yeah, it's sure nice to have some recent wins. That was a pretty good game the other day. Oh yeah, I enjoyed watching it. It's going to be a good game tonight. Yeah, I'm not going to miss it. Small talk in professional settings happens with colleagues and strangers. Imagine you're at a big conference. Practice these lines. Listen and repeat. That was a good session, wasn't it? Yes, I found it very useful. What a good session, right? Definitely, lots of takeaway. That was quite a crowded session, wasn't it? Yes, I'm glad I went early and got a seat. I looked back and saw there was standing room only. How are you enjoying the conference so far? Oh, it's been wonderful. Lots of good sessions. I missed the keynote. How was it? Amazing. It was a really good speaker. Wow, the food this year is quite good. Yeah, I'm impressed. Did you travel far to get here? I actually live in the area. That's convenient. Are you from around here? I flew in from Atlanta. Oh my, that's quite a distance. Finally, you might make small talk with coworkers at the end of the day or at the end of the week. Listen and repeat. Long day, huh? Yeah, I plan to go to sleep early tonight. How about you? Doing anything special tonight? Me? No. I don't like to stay up late during the week. I'll go to the gym before dinner, but that's all. How about you? Any plans for the weekend? No, not really. I'm going to take it easy. And you? Got any exciting plans for the weekend? Yes, actually. I'm going to take a weekend trip with some old friends. How about you? Because we've been practicing small talk, my examples used fast, relaxed speech. Some lines had more reduction than others, very relaxed pronunciation. Others, less so. If you need to review or become familiar with the patterns Americans use in fast speech, check out my playlist. Here's a final question. Let me know if you enjoy making small talk. What do you usually talk about if you have to keep the conversation going? Tell me in the comments. If you'd like more interaction and feedback, please join the English with Jennifer community on Patreon, where we practice all skills for confident, effective communication. The link is in the video description. Thanks for watching and happy studies.